Hey guys, welcome back to Pete's Classic Cycle, and today we're talking about preserving your original paint. So what we have here for a test subject is an original 1973 Honda CB500. It was covered in dust for the last 30 years. All we did was wash it off with soap and water, and this is what you have. So you can see the scuffs and swirl marks. Using a simple 3-stage wax kit that you can get from any automotive supplier, I'm going to show you exactly how nice we can get this, comparing it A to B. First off, just kind of gently rubbing your fingers on it. You can feel how rough the surface is. It almost feels gritty, a little bit dusty. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a quick clean to get rid of any dirt and contaminants that we don't want rubbing into the paint. And then I'm going to proceed with the buffing kit. Well, there's the final product of a quick 3-stage buff and wax on this original CB500 gas tank. But I know you guys all want to see the A-B comparison, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this tape so you can see the direct line and the difference between buffed and not buffed, and exactly how much better the new side looks compared to the original. Well, here I have it, the original paint, not buffed, just as it was, washed and dusted, shifted over, and there it is. You can see the clear line up the middle there. See, the original side kind of traps the light. It's kind of faded, it's not really that vibrant. And then as you come across the tank, you hit that line, and wow, the paint almost looks wet. Silky smooth, no dust or anything in it. You can see how reflective it is. It's not really capturing the paint or the light, it's reflecting it all back. And again, we come over to the other side. It almost just looks foggy and gross. So here it is, the difference between 3-stage, quick, buff and wax, compared to original. So just a quick little video this week, just a little tip if you got an old bike that you want to freshen up and breathe some new life into. I mean, it's absolutely worth it. If you can save the original paint, why not? You know, it's only original once. So that's it for me today. Hope you like this little A-B. Now I was gonna leave it there, but my OCD is driving me nuts and I have to finish off the other side of the tank, which means I have to do the side covers. So bear with me quickly as I go through the rest of the bike and make all the original paint shine like the day it rolled off the showroom floor. Where I'm standing, the work was definitely worth the effort. I even went an extra step further to remove the 504 badges and buff the paint on the side covers really nice. And I gotta admit, or say, that the results speak for themselves. Really, really awesome. Really excited for this. So again, this is just another quick example of how a little bit of elbow grease can save that original paint and make your bike shine like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Because like I said earlier, the only original once. Hope you guys found this video helpful, or at very least inspiring to go out there and clean off those old barn finds you have. So that's it for me today, and as always, please ride safe.